Today we're going to be reviewing the Joby Tripod stand, and this one is the mobile one. So this one is for cell phones, and it comes with this clip that I really like because it extends so it tightens up on your cell phone. So all you have to do is put your cell phone in there, pull this, and it is ready to go like this. And you guys could see it is ready to go for vlogging because this is like the vlogger style tripod, and it is sturdy. I really like it. Let me put this back on here so you guys could actually see. But you can move this around just like so, and then you could set this up in different ways, but I do like that this moves around. Okay, let me show you guys. This is how it looks like, and then it just moves around like so, and you could actually unscrew this in case you want to put another one on there that's more heavy duty or whatever you want to do. It does have that 1/4 size thread, so you guys can replace it with whatever it takes, 1/4 size thread, and right on the top just like that. And then these are very sturdy and they move around, so you guys, these are flexible. I like using them to, you could actually hang these in trees, hang these on poles, whatever you want to hang it just like this, and you just put your camera and you could record yourself, so it makes it look like somebody's watching you, but really you're just throwing this up in the tree or something like that. So I do have one con, and the one con is once this starts wearing down, these actually start popping off. So right now, this is more of a newer one, and so it's nice and sturdy, and you can move it whatever way you want, and these things aren't gonna pop off. But the more you use it, they do start wearing on you, and they do start popping. But even with that, I still recommend this tripod because you could just set it up on anything. You could usually set it up on a table. These have the grips right here. You do have some that have magnets, and I think those are real cool because you could just stick them onto anything metal, and then you could record yourself just walking up on it maybe. But I do like that the ones that are magnets. This one does not have magnets. The magnets are usually the red bottom ones. So look out for those if you're interested in that. But like I said, overall, it does have that one flaw once they do get older, but I definitely recommend getting this, especially if you're into vlogging and if you're into like recording yourself from the distance. I do recommend this.